I'm Stella from Amelia and Alex.
And today
we're unboxing.
We are unboxing
Journey Girl.
The Journey Girl fashion outfit. It's called. Yeah. So I need to put it away.
It's like it's a spa outfit,
but it says fashion outfit. That's why. Okay, now we have to. And this part's like the most annoying ever. I hate getting this off. Oh.
There we go.
Maybe it's from the back. Oh, there is something. What's that? Did that work? And then, I know. I was about to. Oh, I just got myself a paper. Okay. This is what it looks like on the doll, which is actually my doll. There it is. Right there. Yeah. That's what it's going to look like on Meredith. Okay. I'm going to...
Wait, what do I undo?
So first I'm going to do the bathrobe, and it's really soft. Actually.
Well, why does it look like this, though?
I don't know. That's what all of them look like. So here it is. It's just 1 second. You need to take it off of the mannequin.
And there's a mag. Oh, look at this.
I know.
Yeah. There's
here.
mini boobs on the mannequin.
So here's like a little bow, and there's Velcro. And it's just a bathrobe, and it's, there's something there. Plus, there's a little t-shirt under it. So cute. It's like a tank top. And then there's some little shorts, and they're so cute. It's so cute, this bathrobe. Now I just need to put that. So cute. Bathrobe, and that didn't work. And then I'm going to finish off the shoes. And then... Okay, I don't know what that was. And then there's slippers, which are just pink. They don't look pink. Okay, now I do.
There's stuff inside.
I know. I mean, I was about to take it out. Then there's Kleenex inside, obviously, because they always do that.
Oh, can I keep this for Kasumi?
Okay.
My little kitten.
And then there's rubber bands to keep them on your doll's feet. Now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we need scissors.
No, we don't. You just rip it off.
Oh, yeah, you're right. So, this is the mini pillow.
It says a dream on it.
It says dream on it. I know how to read, Lily.
I know.
It's really fluffy and pink, and in the back it's white and dark pink stripes. This is the full turn of the pillow. That's the pillow. Okay. So these are wait, what are they called?
It's a sleep mask.
This is the sleep mask. It's the white and pink too, and it has a white rubber band to hold it around Meredith's head. Yeah, Meredith's head.
So that was our unboxing video of the fashion outfit of Journey Girl. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Bye!